Good day, students! It's our science class. Today we will be learning the life cycle of a plant. But first, we're going to know what is a life cycle. What is a cycle? A cycle is a sequence of events that repeat themselves. Okay, can you name any cycle? There are 4 stages of the plant cycle. The first one, we have seed. Number 2, we have germination. Number 3, mature plant. And number 4, pollination. Stage 1, seed. The life cycle of a plant begins with a seed. A small seed will need water, light, heat, and minerals to grow and become a seedling, which is a part of the germination stage. What is a germination stage? Let's take a moment to think. With the person sitting next to you, write down what a seed needs to grow and why you might think those things are important. Stage 2, we have germination. Germination is the second stage. At this point, the seed begins to sprout leaves and grow roots into the ground. So you can see the picture. The seed has transformed into a tiny plant. This is the stage, we call it germination. Okay, in stage 3, we have the mature plant. In this stage, the plant is fully grown. And most plants in the mature stage or adult stage produce flowers or fruits. The plant is also ready to pollinate, and this is the preparation for the next stage. Stage 4, pollination. The last stage is the pollination stage. This is where plants reproduce. The pollen has to be rich, the ovules of a plant, to make seeds and start the life cycle all over again. Okay, I want you to watch a video so you will understand more about the cycle of a plant. The life cycle of a plant.
Life cycle of a plant. You may be asking yourself, is a plant a living thing? Living things eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. Non-living things do not eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. So you may ask yourself, but what about a cell phone? A cell phone can die. If it dies, doesn't that mean it's a living thing? No, it doesn't. If a cell phone dies, you can plug it back in so the battery will charge back up. That doesn't happen to living things. How about a plant? Do we feed plants? I know we give them water, but we don't feed plants. Plants produce their own food. So yes, a plant is a living thing. It can grow and change. Today we'll be learning about the life cycle of a plant. Seed. All plants go through a life cycle. A life cycle is the changes that happen to a living thing. Most plants start out as seeds. Seeds have a seed coat to help keep them safe. Seeds need water, sunlight, and soil to grow. Germination. The seed sucks in water. The seed gets bigger and bigger. it begins to grow. This is called germination. Can you say that word? Germination. Seedling. Next, a little root grows into the soil and a sprout grows into the air. The sprout takes in sunlight, nutrients, and water. The plant is called a seedling at this part of its life. Seedlings have a few small leaves. Young adult. The seedling grows into a young adult. The roots grow down deep into the soil. The stems are stronger and thicker. The leaves get bigger. Adult. A plant is an adult when it stops growing. Adult plants grow flowers with little seeds inside them. The seeds will grow and a new life cycle will begin. Let's review the life cycle of a plant. First, the plant starts as a seed. The seed will germinate or start to grow. The seedling will break through the soil. The young adult plant starts to develop. The adult plant stops growing and produces a flower and more seeds. Now, let's watch the life cycle of a seed and plant in this time-lapse video. A time-lapse video is when they speed up the process. That means we'll see the entire life cycle of a plant in just a few short minutes.
Okay, and that ends of the video. But I want you to answer this question.
Here to make
Answer
your very
this
own monster unadapted mind, where monsters teach you.
worksheet. Okay, the life cycle of a plant. We're going to put the words here. What do you call this? In the box. Okay, you write the answer, or you can cut these words and put it correctly. The life cycle of plant. That ends our lesson. Thank you and see you next time.